Hello students, this is the third part of the theory class of the topic bacterial growth. As in my previous two video classes, I have already discussed with you what is bacteria, what is bacterial growth, and what are the phases of bacteria, and how each phases act responsible for the bacterial growth. So in this portion of this topic bacterial growth, I am going to discuss the various factor that affects the growth of bacteria. So the first factor is temperature. So low temperature tends to reduce growth rate, which has led to refrigeration being instrumentation in food preservation. Depending on temperature, bacteria can be classified as psychrophiles, that is bacteria that grow more rapidly at temperature 0 to 20 degrees centigrade, then mesophiles that grow at 20 to 45 degrees centigrade, and then thermophiles that grow at high temperature, that is 45 to 60 degree centigrade. So temperature plays a vital role in the growth of bacteria. The next factor is acidity. The optimal acidity for bacteria tends to be around pH 6.5 to 7, that is neutral pH, almost neutral pH, with exception of the acidophiles. Some bacteria can sense the pH such as by excreting acid, resulting in suboptimal conditions. Then the next factor that influence the growth of bacteria is toxic compounds. Toxic compounds such as ethanol or ethyl alcohol can hinder the growth or kill bacteria. This is used beneficially for disinfection and in food preservation. So alcohol is a chemical disinfectant that can inhibit the growth of bacteria as well as it can kill the bacteria. So there are various chemicals present, that influence the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. Next is oxygen. Bacteria can be aerobes or anaerobes depending on the degree of oxygen required. Bacteria can be classified in the following classes. First one is facultative anaerobes. So minimal oxygen required for their growth. Then obligate anaerobes grow only in the complete absence of oxygen. Then we have facultative aerobes grows either in presence of or in minimal presence of oxygen. Then we have obligate aerobes grow only in the presence of oxygen. So depending upon the oxygen requirement, these are the classes of bacteria. So these are the few factors that influence the bacterial growth. So this is overall discussion about bacterial growth. In all three parts of my video, I have discussed the what is growth of bacteria, what are the phases of defined growth curve of bacteria, what are the defined phases of bacterial growth, and lastly I have discussed what are the factors that influence the bacterial growth. So that's all for this topic. Thank you.